Welcome to the Zildjian Sound Lab video. Today we're going to talk about a new introduction for 2012. It's the 21-inch A-Custom 20th anniversary ride. And we did a 21-inch symbol to pay homage to Armin Zildjian because he loved 21-inch rides, 19-inch rides. He liked odd sizes. This is a great addition to the A-Custom series because it's medium thin in weight. So it's a great crash ride. It has great stick definition. It has a large bell for great bell sounds, and you can crash it. And also for 2012, we're printing this symbol with white ink, just the 21-inch model. And we also developed a special trademark for the entire A-Custom series with a crescent, moon, and star that has 1992 through 2012 on it. And you'll see that on all A-Customs throughout 2012. I welcome you to check this symbol out at Zildjian.com and at your local dealer.